Welcome Key Stage 4 and 5, and it's been wonderful to see you all back in school face to face. The corridors are alive with chatter, and the lessons, I see you all busy working and beavering away. The gym is full of people playing volleyball and basketball, and it's just so great to see the excitement on your faces. I want to thank you all for social distancing, for wearing your masks, for being in the right place where you're supposed to be. Year 10s, I need to remind you about the lunchtime, that if you're in the canteen, please wait to be dismissed. Thanks for sitting on the red stickers, you're doing a great job, but you really need to be in the canteen until just after 10:45. You can't go wandering around getting your lockers in that time. We need you in that space so that you're supervised, and I hope you understand that. Year 11s and 12s, thank you for keeping your social distancing in the common room areas, and Year 13 for looking after your common area. Year 10, many new Year 10s, welcome to BSD. I had a great time with the Year 10 TD this morning, where we have lots of new students, and they were sharing what they liked about BSD. They mentioned how friendly it was, how supportive it was. They liked the canteen, and they liked the use of the gym, and it was really interesting to hear what they would like to see more of. More PE. I think we would all like more PE. They'd like to see breaks between lessons, and they weren't too keen on the uniform until I explained the reason why. But thank you, 10TD, that was lovely to chat with you. Year 11s, your teachers are busy looking after you just to make sure that you're going to be ready for next May, June. And so even though they are assessing you a lot, it's because they need to know how to move forward so that we can make sure that there are no gaps for the GCSE courses, IGCSE courses. Year 12, it's great to see you all in. We've got a nice healthy cohort of 28 students. And Year 13, please look out for the message concerning the continuation of AS levels into A level for Cambridge examinations next year. I'll be sending out a message to parents soon. Anyway, next week we have Saudi National Day on the Thursday that we're celebrating at BSD on Tuesday. So please come and wear your Saudi national costume, your Saudi t-shirt, so we can celebrate this wonderful country that has given us so much. Can't wait to see you all wearing your clothes. So it's a non-uniform day on Tuesday. You don't need to pay any money for that. Just come and celebrate Saudi National Day by wearing green and white. Okay, so Positive Learner Awards, as you know, or those of you who are new, you may not know, because we do have a lot of new students, so welcome. The Positive Learner Awards are awarded by a teacher just for recognition. If you've done something outstanding academically, maybe you came top in a maths quiz, or you wrote a brilliant essay, then you'll be awarded on the communication sheet. Or if you've put in a huge amount of effort, or you've taken a compassionate act, if you're an old student and you've really helped your learning buddy, your new student, then that needs recognition, we think. So your teacher records that on the communication sheet, and when you get 3, then we award the certificates, and we have a few already, so well done to those people. Thank you all, and I'll see you next week.